magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Teacher Rona at gusto ko pong ibahagi sa inyo ang aking napakasaysayang paglalakbay dito sa Banaue, Ifugao, Rice Terraces. Noon, tinuturo ko lamang sa aking mga estudyante kung ano ang nakasulat sa aklat without thinking what is really Banaue, Rice Terraces. Ngayon, from a dream, it comes into reality. I am here now to share with you what is Banaue Rice Terraces. And para sa akin, mas maganda ang nasa real kaysa sa kung ano lamang ang nakikita natin sa aklat. At hayaan niyo akong ibahagi sa inyo itong maiksing paglalakbay na aking ginawa dito sa Ifugao, Banaue Rice Terraces. I really love this place. Why? The air is really peaceful. It is far from the city. And I am looking on that area because according to the people here, one of the scene in the Avengers, in the Infinity War, was taken from that area. It's amazing. Good morning, everyone! Welcome to the second day of my journey. I am here now at the Batad Banaue Rice Terraces. You can see this rice terraces is the so-called the famous rice terraces, and we call it Batad Banaue Rice Terraces. Come, join with me.
The world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back.
Here we go again. We are here on the third journey of mine, and I am now here at the Tappiya coast at the Batad Banaue Rice Terraces. Here we go!
You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Make sure you subscribe and like my video. So guys, see you next time.